Hi, this is Andy Filipiuk in Toronto for the week of August the 6th. Last week we saw the Federal Reserve cut interest rates 1/4 of a point and the markets did not like it. We've seen a sharp sell-off in the equity prices over the past week and markets are now building in even more rate cuts going forward. Markets had hoped there'd be 50 basis points. I think when it didn't get it, disappointed, heading lower. One of the real weak spots, Donald Trump came out and slapped more tariffs against China, and we've seen real problems with the yuan peg. The peg has broken above 7, which hasn't happened in years, and this is putting more and more pressure on China. We also have Hong Kong with their peg possibly under pressure. I'll talk more about this in the weeks to come. Last week I saw a very interesting interview with Judy Shelton, who is a recent appointee by Trump to the Federal Reserve. She was saying she had wanted 50 basis points because the Fed rate cuts aren't necessarily for stimulus, they're more for currency reasons. And she wants the US dollar lower. Now the interviewer said, does it really make sense for the US to follow lower interest rate policy if it's wrong if the rest of the world is doing it? And she said, unfortunately, yes, because if the US doesn't cut rates because their economy is strong, the US dollar will strengthen against the other world currencies that are currently being cut, and this will lead to greater deflationary pressures, meaning a lot of loans that are in US dollars will not be able to be paid back because the currency gets too strong. So in short, if you cut through all the academic rhetoric, it looks like the US may have to cut rates and go to zero just because everybody else is. And that's not really the meat that we want for the explanation, but it looks like that's where rates are going, and that helps explain why gold is just rocketing now as it builds in the fact that we're going to have 0% interest rates probably going forward for a long time with lots of money printing. Thanks for watching.